The thing is, contraceptives are not abortion. Family planning is not abortion.
Now that abortion is effectively illegal in the state of Missouri, many are wondering what's next. Tonight, a closer look at contraception and the morning after pill, and if those could be impacted as well. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Kelly Jackson.
And I'm Brent Solomon, in for Mike Bush. Tonight, legal experts are weighing in on those concerns over contraception. New at 5, Elise Schoenig joins us now in studio. Elise, you caught up with an expert from SLU.
Brett and Kelly, the law professor I spoke to today couldn't stress enough that abortion and contraception are not the same thing. And although she laid out what to watch for in the next few months now that Roe v. Wade was overturned, she told me contraception is not only still available, but a necessary option for all women.
So there's a lot of unanswered questions at this point.
That's Sidney Watson. As a law professor at St. Louis University, she's been studying every potential outcome of the Roe v. Wade overturn.
The thing is, contraceptives are not abortion. Family planning is not abortion.
As groups around the country protest and celebrate the Supreme Court's decision, Watson says the future of contraception is something to watch for.
I would not be surprised if we see both states trying to ban contraceptives in the future and litigation around it.
But Watson says there is relief.
I will have to say, though, aside from the constitutional law, there are other federal laws that provide protection for access to contraceptives.
She says if states started trying to ban contraceptives, other federal laws could be used. For example, she says Medicaid guarantees low-income families access to any FDA-approved family planning. To Watson, just having access to a wide range of contraception is key to maternal health and children's health.
What we know about contraception is it saves women's lives.
Now, Watson told me it would take a majority of the Missouri General Assembly in an active legislative session for anything like this to move forward. Now, Watson says unless the banning of contraception is explicitly addressed and added to the veto session's agenda in the fall, nothing could happen until the next active legislative session, which is in January.
All right, Elise, thanks.